guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create sadness on Dress to Impress. So removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. I used this hair in 445A89 in only bangs. Position the Z at 0.53, the Y, and scaled it to 0.46. And I also used this hair in the same color. Position the Y at 0.45, Z 0.53, and scaled it to 0.57, and I just used this hair in the same color. Get these glasses from VIP in color 680C43. It's called I call it the alphabet glasses. It's this one over here. Position the Z at 0.46 and scale it to 0.37, and color it as the same as I told you except for the lenses. For the outfit, it's actually pretty simple. Grab these jeans and color it this color, the same as your hair. And I'm going to get these shoes and I'm going to color it this color, 6ADCD4, and then that again, and then for the third and fourth toggles, color it that dark blue. Then we're going to get the sweater in the oversized one. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!